There was a tap in my kitchen that dripped every night. At first I ignored it, didn't seem like a big deal, but one night I timed it, one drip every 3 seconds. That's 28,800 drips a day, enough to fill a bucket by morning. Life's biggest breakdown don't come from big problems, they come from tiny ones we keep ignoring. The work you keep procrastinating, the argument you avoid, the apology you won't say, the sleep you keep taking, the grudge you carry quietly, all of them just like the tap, drip by drip, until one day you are underwater, overwhelmed and burned out, numb. Today I will show you 3 invincible drips silently flooding your life and how to fix them before they sink your ship. The first is the emotional leak. You know that feeling when someone hurts you, but you just brush it off. That's a drip. It's a leak. You think you've moved on, but it stays. In your tone, in your tension, in your sleep. I did it for years, smiling in public but simmering underneath. And it wasn't until I find myself snapping at the people I love that I realized I was leaking emotion that was never processed. And so have that hard conversation, not a fight, but to free yourself. Don't let silence do the talking. Tend to the emotional drip. The second is the time leak. It starts with one notification, then you scroll for 5 minutes, then you forgot where you even started in the first place. That's another drip. One moment stolen by distraction multiplied by days, weeks, and years. That's a lot. I once tracked my screen time for weeks, and guess how much I spent on social media? Your guess is as good as mine. 21 hours. That's nearly a day. Gone. Not in one go, but in one drip at a time. Productivity isn't built in hours, it's built in moments protected. Tend to your time leak drip. The third is the health leak. It's just one late night, one skipped workout, one extra drink. No big deal, right? Wrong. Health doesn't fall apart in one day. It crumbles from 1,000 ignored choices. I once stayed up late working for 14 days straight. Guess what follows? I got sick, I was anxious, my mood crashed. Burnt out isn't a fire. It's a leak that nobody sees until you collapse. Your body whispers before it screams. Tend to the drip before it floods your health. There will always be a dripping tap in your life. You don't need to fix everything at once. You just need to fix one drip at a time. And the best way to do that is to start small. Stay consistent and don't let the shame stop you. Every time you fix a small leak, you regain control. You take back your time, you quiet the noise before it becomes a storm. Begin with what's closest to you. Fix that one annoying habit. Make that one overdue phone call. Take that one 5 minutes walk today. Small actions done daily changes everything. And so I fixed the tap in my kitchen. It doesn't drip anymore. But what really changed was how I saw life. Now when I feel stress building, I understand that there's a tap or dripping tap that needs attention. It's not on the big stuff that breaks us. It is in the little things we let slide. What we pretend doesn't matter until it does. And so I will leave you with this. Tend to the drip in your life. That is how you prevent the flood. If you enjoyed this video, click somewhere on the screen for my next video titled The Habit That Saved Me from Mental Burnout. Take back your peace, one fix at a time, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.